Hello, Mamas!
Hi, Papaps!
Yes, welcome back to Facial Value. And on this video, we will be discussing all about sheet mask.
Oh, shit!
Yes, oh shit, because again, we will be discussing skincare that Jec has a certain difficulty relating to it.
Naman tayo sa skincare.
Yeah. Yes, so please don't go away. So, mga mamas, okay, like Jec asked me a question, is this really necessary to be included in his already very basic
Very basic ba yun?
Yes, very basic skincare routine. And if you want to watch that very basic skincare routine, but advised by a dermatologist, you can check our video on that. Yes. And then, the face mask is all about additional skincare that you can add in your basic skincare routine.
Additional? Yeah. Additional money, additional time.
Yes. So, talagang sheet mask. And also, mga mamas and papas, if you like to watch my tips in order for you to maximize your skincare products, please do watch also that video.
Okay.
Diba? So, now, first is, let's define, we will just concentrate on this video about sheet mask. Ayan. Parang hindi naman masyadong...
Dapat pakita natin yung spelling ng sheet. Kasi sinasabi natin eh.
Yes. Parang hindi masyadong ma-overwhelm si Jec. Ayan. So, yan. So, just like what I've mentioned, we do not want to overwhelm also our skin. So, we want to add a little bit, one active ingredient at a time when we are trying to build little by little a much more complex skincare routine.
Yeah.
Yes. And this is the best way for Jec to add on his basic skincare, because this can be done at least once to 3 times in a week. Ayan.
Pwede 2 times lang.
Pwede rin. Now, what is really a mask? A sheet mask is basically either made of paper, fiber, or gel. And these are physical occlusive. Ibig sabihin, Jec, this tries to contain something or prevent it from going out. Like, for example, our moisturizer, it is an occlusive kasi anything you place on your face or on your skin prior to the application of the moisturizer, it will try to retain it in your skin. Okay. So, this is also an occlusive, but physical because, as I've said, it's either made of a fiber, a paper, or a gel that carries serum.
I have no idea.
Kaya na-explain ko sa mga papas also don't have an idea what the hell I'm talking about. So, ano yung serum? Ang serum is a kind of liquid that you add into your skincare routine from, ano nga yung skincare routine mo, Jec?
Cleansing.
Cleansing, which is facial wash.
Okay.
And then, sa morning, facial wash. And then,
facial wash. And then
what's next?
Moisturizing.
Moisturizer. And then next is
sunscreen.
Sunscreen. And then in the evening,
dalawa lang.
Yes, ano yun? Facial wash and
cleansing and moisturizing.
Ano, yes. Now, dahil dalawa Diyos ko, mabanggitin lang yung mga kung anong ginagawa niyo, nirapan pa. Anyway, mga mamas and of course, mga papaps, this is a very nice way to introduce kasi what I like about sheet mask is that you can introduce, in addition to your facial wash and your moisturizer, a serum that can address a specific problem or condition you want to tackle in your skin, especially you are aging, so, unless you want to buy the bottle and apply it physically. So this one has all those serum, and plus I find it very relaxing kasi like what I told Jec, to place it on a chiller or in the fridge. Huwag nyo lang ilagay sa sa freezer. Ginawa ni Jec, ginawa niya yung serum na ice candy.
Anong topic natin?
Okay. Ginawa niya ice candy.